Hi everyone, and this is Rayl again, and currently we are walking in the Botanic Gardens, which is pretty quiet and very pleasant place. People here are doing exercises, some people running and some working and some going on a picnic. See, you can see those people exercising. This place has been a UNESCO World Heritage for about 10 years, and they've been preserving this place for many years. Such a lovely place. And we are walking together. This is not real. And we also come to this place the other day. Look, it's very beautiful. Sakubanile. When
she said that
they seem to be like professors. So technically this place is like very near to the NUS National University of Singapore. So there's so many young and so many youths are here in the park. The Singaporean really love doing exercises and steps. So here we are. This place is very big. The Botanic Garden. We can go through this place through two gates, the Nabayan Station gates and the Botanic Garden Station gates. So technically, this garden has two entrance. See? Can see your hands. Oh, this is lovely. Trials of rubber trees in the Singapore Botanic Gardens. Rubber ပင်နေတယ်ကျွန်တော်မြန်မာပြည်မှာလည်းဒီပင်နေအများကြီးပါပဲအစိုးရအသုံးမကြတော့ဘာမှဖြစ်မလာဘူးပေါ့သူများတွေကထိမ့်သိမ်းတယ်ပန်းကြံမယ်ပေါ့ဒီမှာဆိုပတောက်ပင် Here is the ပတောက် Oh, ငါတို့တနေ့ကလမ်းပြောက်တဲ့နေရာရောက်လာ This place is like an oasis, which is like a forest in the middle of the city in Singapore. I'm not ashamed.
Capturing Burmese people in Botanic Gardens.
Hey, Lala. That's pretty. Oh my god.
It's rotten.
Yeah, it's going to die soon, but still, it's very big. We must start outside. Lala, no? I think that is a eucalypt.
I don't know.
The one we are taught in our grade 9 or 10 textbook. That's the eucalypt tree.
And again, I try not to hang out with.
သူတို့ရဲ့ accent နဲ့ အင်္ဂလိပ်မဟုတ်။အိုးပေါ်မှာလာတာ
Oh yo.
။အော် Can you see? Jeez. That's so nice. အော်ဒီမှာကြာချိုးတို့အဲ့လာဟိုမှာချိုးတို့သွားတယ်မိုက်တယ်နော်ချိုးတို့သွားတယ် back then the other day here you can see the lights are back to normal but the last time we came here the lights are off and we had a really bad day here in the Botanic Gardens. Okay, lately I've been trying to speak in English more in my blogs, so that will be very much easier for me to do videos, captioning, and then I can simply translate back into Burmese, which is pretty easier to do if I speak in English to my blogs. So please help and subscribe my channel to create more content. Okay, let's go to this place, Orchard Road. So that's very pleasant. No? Trying to speak a little bit.
I cannot.
He's tired. He's already tired. ဟုတ်တယ်ဘယ်လိုပြောရအင်္ဂလိပ်
I don't know.
Normally we can see many pots in this park. Oh my god. It's a long way.
Keep on. What means one that
Never heard of it. Imagine. Allah. ဆင်လားမဆင်လားမြက်ပင်လေးတော့အဲ့လိုလေးစိုက်ထားဟုတ်တယ်လားမြက်ကိုမြက်အတိုင်းမထားဘူးဒါငါတို့ exercise လုပ်နေတာ Although this is like a very huge place in the middle of the city, they managed to have many lights as much as they can so that they could provide us the light at night and so that it will be safe and also of course for security. See, you can see many lights are lighted all around the Botanic Gardens. Oh, that looks so gorgeous. Actually, the other path is more popular and people walk there more. This path is long and not many people walk in this path. If you are lucky enough, you can see different types of bird species here.
think there is.
Hello. This is Ray. As you all can remember, perhaps, this is Ray. Where are we? Over there. I don't know whether you can hear some water flowing in the camera, but I can literally hear the water flowing back and forth.
We are in the wrong place.
No, can't go this place. We have to go to the other way, not here. Smile. What the hell? Zabadi and
I'll let you ride my side.
obviously not gonna do the. Come on. I don't know. Perhaps. Actually, I'm having a back pain. Accidentally. I don't know what happened. Maybe I know, but I don't know. Let's just continue our journey. Wow,
No wow.
such a big place. The sky is getting darker and it's already 7 o'clock. This
It's very, I don't know.
Unrealistic.
It looks very AI.
But in the camera you can see clearly. Taya, Asia, Jaewon. Okay, alright, we're back to the iconic place. This is one of the famous places in Singapore. We're almost there to the main dish of Botanic Garden. Oh. This is like some of the trees in our YANGON University. Oh. Actually, I was wishing to see some birds, pretty birds that is nowhere to be found.
Birds are already sleeping.
They are already sleeping, perhaps. Oh my god. This is the visitor center. Mind you, a marvelous place. This is very calming and pleasant to see. Lara. Huh? Đó lên bên bên chị lên. Ở bên này có gì không? Ở tất đâu sưởi ra. Bên bên chị gì? Ô không. အဲ့ပင်ကြီးအောင်ရမ်းထူးဆန်းတာပဲဟောမှာတပင်သိဝါနေမယ်လေမကြောင် common restant fake အတိယဒီ trunk မှာပေါက်တာတဲ့ပင်စီမှာပေါက်တာအိုးထူးဆန်းတော့ပိတ်ထားတာကိုရအောင်ဝင်တယ်နော်ဘယ်လိုဟာလဲမသိဘူး